पूरा ये करवा। Hello students, in previous class we discussed the management of memory, means that is the primary memory, secondary memory, means just we discussed the overview of memory management, but it is the particular class today, it is the just we discuss primary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory. What is primary memory? What is primary memory? What is primary memory? What is primary memory? Note it. It is the initial memory. It is the initial or first memory. It is the initial memory or first memory. When computer start the primary memory activated all the configuration of computer. All the configuration of computer. Activated all the configuration of computer. Configuration means hardware, software, user, and means all the configuration of computer. The primary memory activated when the computer switch off. But primary memory is two types. First, RAM and second, ROM. RAM means random access memory. Random access memory. ROM means read only memory. Read only memory. RAM means random access memory. ROM means read only memory. Now we discuss the RAM and ROM. It is called volatile. It is called volatile memory. Volatile memory. It is called volatile memory. Volatile means just store data before switch off our system. That is called volatile. Means here the data cannot be permanently saved, so it is called volatile memory. It is called volatile memory, and it is also called temporary memory. Okay, this is called temporary memory, and also called read and write memory. And it is primary memory. Okay, and ROM means read only memory. It is called BIOS. BIOS. Okay, BIOS means basic input output system. Basic input output system. It is a set of program. It is a set of program. It is a set of program. When computer manufacturing, it loaded by the system programmer. Okay, it loaded by the system programmer. Follow it, students. Faster. Next we discuss about this, but this is the RAM and ROM. Primary memory is the initial memory. Primary memory is the initial memory, means the first memory. When computer switch on or when computer start, the primary memory activated configuration, all the configuration of computer. When computer switch on, the primary memory activated all the configuration of computer. Without primary memory, if the primary memory is correct, the system cannot be opened. Okay, then means cannot start. Then primary memory is two types, the RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory, ROM means read only memory. RAM and ROM. RAM means it is called volatile memory. Volatile means it is called volatile memory. Volatile memory means when computer switch off, all the storage data are deleted in this memory. All storage data delete in this memory. So it is called volatile memory. Means before save we write in RAM. After save it store in secondary memory, that is called permanent memory or secondary memory. It is called volatile memory because when computer switch on, the data are erased. So it is called volatile memory, and it is also called temporary memory. It is also called read and write memory because read and write memory means we can use read and write. So it is called read and write memory, and it is also called primary memory. But ROM is, it is the certain type. ROM means read only memory. Basically ROM is a set of program. It is called BIOS, basic input output system. It used only for read, we cannot be write, but it is called BIOS, basic input output system. Basic input output system, it is a set of program. When computer manufacturing, it loaded by the system programmer. When computer switch on, when computer manufacturing means every physical parts, when computer manufacturing, it loaded by the system programmer, that is called BIOS. Okay, so input and primary memory is the input and memory, but secondary memory means the permanent memory, and here the data are permanently storage. Okay, next class we discuss the secondary memory.